Hey everyone, today we'll walk through the additional contacts tab, what it's for, how to enter data correctly, and a few key rules to ensure your records are accurate. Here you can see the additional contacts tab is a part of the client data spreadsheets listed on tab 2. Use the additional contacts tab to add somebody to a client as a contact when they're not the primary, spouse, or alternate. It can be used for anyone to link them to a client without changing the main roles. As you can see here in this example, sister, attorney are common contact types. If the person already exists in the first tab in your client data spreadsheet, you're going to want to ensure that their name, social, date of birth, phone numbers, and email match exactly with that first tab. The contact type must match what's set up in Firm360. So in column B here, you're going to want to go to your customizations in the black ribbon, contact types, and then add the contacts here. When your additional contacts are ready for import, simply upload this spreadsheet to your 1000 Office client and email support at myfirm360 or email your dedicated data migration specialist. That's it for additional contacts tab. Thanks for watching.